Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to search for a photo in Gmail chat on your PC, especially with the new update. If you've ever needed to find a specific image shared in a chat, this guide will make it easy for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your Gmail account, as this will give you access to all your chats and conversations. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. This is Google's app launcher, which allows you to access various services within Google. Click on those 9 dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Chats. This will take you directly to the chat interface where you can see all your ongoing conversations. This step is essential to navigate to the chat section. Now, on the left side menu, find the option labeled Direct Messages. Click on it to view all your direct chats. This is where you'll find one-on-one conversations, including those where photos might have been shared. Once you've accessed the Direct Messages section, locate the specific chat where the photo was shared and click on it. This will open that particular conversation, putting you right where you need to be to search for the image. At the top of the chat window, you'll notice a search icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This search feature is designed to help you filter through your messages and find specific content quickly. Now, type in relevant keywords related to the photo you're looking for. Whether it's a description, the name of the person who shared it, or any other detail, entering your search terms will help you narrow down the results and locate the photo you need. And that's it. You've successfully searched for a photo in Gmail chat. With these simple steps, you can easily retrieve important images shared in your conversations. Thanks for watching and happy searching.